What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Otterbox Defender Pro XT or Defender Series Pro XT for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and here it is in all its glory. And this has got to be one of the most heavy-duty cases for the Z Fold 7. Now, everybody loves those slim and trim ones, or they like the ones that have like kickstand or MagSafe. Or this is the heavy-duty one when you're going out and about, and if you drop this, you're still going to be good with this. Now, this comes in two colors. Comes in this black, also comes in a sage brush green. But that one I wasn't able to get, but I was able to pick up this one. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now, this has a really protective hinge cover. So if you like protection, this one is it. I mean, military grade, 4 times military drop protection, whatever that means. But let's check out the case in here. Shows you how to install it, but shouldn't be too hard to install. Go ahead and peel this out. And this one does come with MagSafe, which is great because some Otterboxes, they don't have that MagSafe. But look at this hinge protection. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is heavy duty. You get some really thick front screen. They're pretty thick. Back cover. This thing is legitimate. Pretty expensive. You're looking at about anywhere from 70 to 80, maybe 90 bucks, depending on where you pick it up. So let's go ahead and pop this in so you guys can get involved. Should be pretty easy, but man, this thing's got some thick. I mean, look at this. Let me put this here. Make sure I'm putting it on right. You kind of snap it on. It's like the typical Otterbox that kind of, man, I'll tell you what. Okay, couple things. You're talking about serious protection. This is like when you go bike riding, you know, you going mountain climbing, maybe you're out with the kids and you really don't, I mean, this is a legitimate Otterbox. I mean, it's got the rugged hinge. Let's see how it opens up. Yeah, man, I mean, look at this thing. Look at that. I mean, this got like some thickness around it. If you like it thick, this is it right here. You know what I mean? And then you got a little opening there for your fingerprint. You got some buttons here, which are nice and tactile. They feel real nice. It's a little hard to get to the fingerprint though. So that might be a deal breaker for some people. But this is definitely something. I mean, look at the front coverage for your front screen. I mean, this is probably the most bulky case that I've reviewed on the channel. There's your camera protection. Now, I kind of wish they would have put the cameras, not have this big space there on the side, but, and I do like the other color of this one, the sage brush green. It has a little more texture to it. I want to try to pick that up and check that out. I think that one might be kind of nice. But man, you get some serious hinge protection here. And this doesn't open up like some of the other ones. It'd be great if this opened up like a kickstand here on the back, but it doesn't. Let's try the MagSafe capabilities here. That's nice. It is kind of cool because there have been Otterboxes that don't have MagSafe, and it would drive me crazy because I actually did like the case they had. I just wish this had a color to it, and you do get that your port is covered up, so you have to open it up to use it. So make sure you consider that if you are using it. But it goes in real nice. And man, this is nice. They did improve this. Because there's some case companies where that port, they have the cover, but man, it's terrible, and you got your openings there for everything. Mics, speakers, same thing on this side. yeah, I'm just not crazy about, it's a little bulky, but man, this thing is thick as hell. I mean, this is if you go to the beach. I mean, it wouldn't take a foldable to the beach because of the sand, but this is definitely, trying to think, if you did use this, I'd probably just use face unlock. That way you don't have to use a fingerprint, because to get to that is a little wild. So I will say that, but this is definitely a contender. I just wish this thing opened to be a kickstand, because then you'd have something. But man, the protection on this is just insane. I mean, it is just so good, really good. So, but yeah, that is the Z Fold 7 Defender Series Pro XT. I mean, you get everything here. Built-in magnets, grippy edges. I mean, but it feels ginormous, that's for sure. Otterbox, living up to its name. Protection to its core.